My name is Sharifah Nunadira binti Wanarudin. So I will present the general background of Cobitidae family. Cobitidae, also known as the true loaches, is a family of all-world freshwater fish. They occur throughout Eurasia and in Morocco, an inhabited riverine ecosystem. So where do loaches come from? Loaches are found in a wide variety of habitats throughout Europe, northern Africa, and central Southeast Asia. Most families occur predominantly in rocky mountain streams at high elevations, but almost all have lowland representatives as well. There are three types species that we choose. First, Pangeo Pangeo oblonga, and Pangeo shelfordi. For similarity and the differences for these three species, habitat these three species live at swamp, oxbow, and backwater. And they also have similar sexual dimorphism, which is although female are typically heavier body and a little larger than male. And for mature male, their pectoral fin ray is branched and thick. Penjaculi mostly distribute at Peninsula Malaysia, Sumatra, and Borneo. For Pangeo oblonga, they distribute at Sungai Pinang River, Borneo, and Pangeo shelfordi distribute at Sarawak and Kalimantan Tengah. So for the conservation status, for Pangeo kuli oblio, for these three species is not extinct.
As we can see on the table, three of Papagea species have a same reproductive strategy, which is not easy to breed, requires specific temperature and pH. And then when a female is on the verge of laying egg, she will pair up with a male. Both of them will swim around excitedly. Afterward, they will intertwine with each other and she lay her egg. And then ecological niche of a three species still same, such as all of them have a vertile pair beneath their eyes, which is used to deterrent predator. Also, the strip or spot on their body used as a camouflage to avoid any predator. In my next slide, we can see example keystone species of Cobitidae.
For the extinction and overexploitation, according to the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN), the three selected species that we have chosen are least concern species. Least concern species is a species that has been categorized by IUCN as a species that is not being a focus of conservation because the species is still plentiful in the wild. For the species Pangeo kuli, it was assessed in the year 2019, and during the assessment it was listed as a least concern species. For Pangeo oblonga, it was assessed in the year 2018, but the outcome was the same. And lastly, for Pangeo shelfordi, it was assessed in the year 2019, where it was also listed as a least concern species. Moving on to the ethnobiology study, Pangeo kuli, Pangeo oblonga, and Pangeo shelfordi, otherwise known as loaches under the Cobitidae family, based on our findings, the loach mucus, otherwise known as synovial fluid, can be removed using deep processing technologies and are utilized in high-end cosmetics and pharmaceutical manufacture. The loach mucus has the ability to create hyaluronic acid, which has a high viscosity and moisture content. It is a great material for high-end masks, and it also includes a substance known as high-activity superoxide dismutase, which plays a key function in antioxidant, anti-radiation damage, skin aging prevention, and other aspects. Moving on to the roles of the selected species in maintaining a healthy ecosystem. They may consume aquatic crustaceans, insects, and other tiny invertebrates, as well as organic waste leftovers. The fecal matter produced due to the ingestion of organic waste leftovers contain nitrogen, which is essential for the growth of aquatic plants. The selected species help maintain a healthy ecosystem when they consume organic waste matter, because without them, the organic waste matter concentration in water bodies tend to increase, which can cause the stimulation of microbial growth, which leads to oxygen depletion and disruption of the entire water ecosystem. Thank you.